Hello guys, and today we are going to go storm chasing. I don't have the drone, but I still have my camera. Even though you can't see it, it's in my hand. You guys can't see it, but I can. It's one of the perks of being a... Wait a minute. Hold on, I see a cloud. A dark one. I was about to say dangry. An angry dark cloud. You can look inside my hat. You can look inside my head. You can look... Well, you can't look in there. Yeah. I don't want to let any bugs in here, so I guess I'm just gonna go in.
What's that?
What the heck is this?
Magic does happen in the bedroom.
That's weird.
In the form of my wife folding my clothes for me.
It's like debris or something. Maybe. Hold on. Let me take a picture of this.
Come tell Amber how amazing you are. Come put your face right in there. Say, I'm amazing.
I built a robot.
Yeah, this kid can read detailed instructions. He's 7.
Uh-oh. What the? Oh my gosh.
You have robot fights.
All right, let's see if there's even a tornado right there. Oh, wow.
Yeah, go grab your robot and I'll do my setup with this one while he's grabbing his robot. And he'll be right back. Yeah.
What?
Hang on a sec, bud.
That looks so cool. Oh, it's about to pass. Oh, there's the smoke, or not the smoke, the cloud, the debris cloud. Oh! That's an F-Zero though. My tailgate!
Yeah, they definitely felt more, there's more weight, and I feel like more stress in my shoulder.
Well, we're not going to do a part 2, but I'll see you in the next video. Oh, wow. All right, bye.